Hello, this is Stacy from Leadpages technical support team. Here's today's tech tip.
With Leadpages sites, you can easily create a site that converts. When partnered with our conversion tools, your site can do even more. Today I'm going to demonstrate adding pop-ups and alert bars to your site. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to demonstrate is showing you how to place a pop-up on your site. So I'm going to go to conversion tools, and I've already created a pop-up, but if you're looking to learn more about our pop-ups, you can click on the question mark up here in the right-hand corner and search our knowledge base for pop-ups. But since I've already created it, I'm just going to go through that process. You'll click Actions. From there, Publishing Options. Then I want this to be a time pop-up because I want them to opt into a free guide. So that's not related to anything on my main site, but I do want to have that included. So I will go to Time Pop-up, and I can set the settings for this pop-up, but since this is my example, I'm just going to keep everything at 0, so when I preview it, it shows right away. Click Get Code. Then you'll copy this code and go back to your site. So to place this on the page, I'm going to place this in Tracking and then Analytics, and then I'm going to place it in the Head section Tracking Code. Then click Save. I could also place this on the page using the HTML widget, so that would just be in Widgets, and then you can pull and drag the HTML widget onto the page and paste it there. Something to note though, no matter if you use the HTML widget or the tracking section, this pop-up is going to be site-wide. So it won't be on particular pages by itself, it will show on the whole site. So now that I've placed that here, I'm going to show you in preview. Once it goes to preview, you'll see the pop-up appear. Now that I'm in preview mode, I see my pop-up appear for them to place their email address to get the free guide. Now I'm also going to show you how to place an alert bar on here. So I'm going to go back to conversion tools, and again, I have my alert bar already created, but you can search more about it in our knowledge base. I'm going to click Actions, Publishing Options, then copy this code. I can also highlight this and copy as well, and then go back to my site builder, and then I can place it into the tracking section again, and I'm going to want to place it down here in the closing body tag. So I'm going to remove this because I placed another alert bar in here before. Place this here, and then save. This is a great way to tell people about holiday hours, have people want to sign up for your newsletter. It's just a great way to get a nice little notice on the top of your site. Again, just like the pop-up, when you place it inside of the tracking section, or if you place it in the HTML widget, it is going to be site-wide. So I'm going to go to preview now that I have that alert bar added. So back in preview, I have my pop-up that shows up again, and then my alert bar that has a sign up for our newsletter. So this is how you can add an alert bar on your site as well as a pop-up. If you have any questions on this or anything else, click on the question mark here to reach our support team or to search our knowledge base. Hopefully you enjoyed today's tech tip. We'll see you next time.